Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how I did these nails. I'm starting out with my Young Nails Protein Bond. I have already prepped my nails and applied the tips, so I'm just going to start out with my Protein Bond, and I'm using my Alpha Over Kolinsky brush in a size 9, my Mia Secret acrylic powder in pink, and my Mia Secret monomer. So I'm just going to go ahead and start applying the acrylic to all my nails. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll just let you guys watch this part of the video and then I'll come back at some point. Alright guys, so I'm on the last nail, and once I finished this, I'm going to just dip my brush in the monomer and wipe my brush a few times to get out any remaining acrylic. I don't usually use acetone to clean my brushes. I just use the monomer and wipe my brush until it is completely clean and free of acrylic. However, the only time I use acetone is if acrylic has already hardened in the brushes, and that's the only way to basically get it out. So yeah, but now I'm coming in with my hand file, and I'm going to just add some definition and shape to the nails. So I'm filing the side walls and the free edge, and just sharpening up that shape. And then I'm going to come back in with my e-file and do some more filing around the cuticle area and the rest of the nail. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I didn't include some of the footage because I did realize after watching it again that, while I was editing, that I was out of frame a lot of the time. So I just did, I just included a part of the footage that actually was in frame. So yeah, so here I'm coming in with my e-file, and I am using the Makartt nail drill, and I'm using a medium grit ceramic drill bit that I purchased off of AliExpress, I think, or eBay. So yeah, I'm just going to slowly go around the cuticle area, and you'll see me adjust the speed on the nail drill a few times. You can't actually see the speed bar, but that's what I'm doing when you see me fiddle with the part of the drill that is on the table. So yeah, I slow it down to go around the cuticles, and then I speed it up to go on top of the nail and kind of debulk and stuff. And guys, if you hear any sounds in the background, that's my daughter and the hubby. They're doing their thing, and I'm over here doing my thing. So yeah. Okay guys, so I was finished with the drill, and I was about to go in with my hand file again just to define the shape some more and just make sure that everything looked defined and sharp and I didn't lose my shape. And then my hubby was goofing around and wanted to try my drill, but as you can see, he didn't last 2 seconds. And I was fearing for my life. But yes, so then he was like, I have to let him do something. So I gave him the hand file and told him to file the top of my nails just to smooth them down a bit. And listen to me, people, I was just hoping that he didn't spoil my nails after I was almost finished. But luckily he didn't. And so yeah, I just let him do his thing, and then you'll see me come back in shortly and just finish up by smoothing off the top and filing the free edge and the side walls again, just redefining the shape. Okay, also once I'm finished with the filing, I am going back in with my protein bond, my Young Nails protein bond, and I am just putting that around, right around the perimeter of the nail pretty much, because that will help with the gel adhesion, the gel polish adhesion. So yeah, and it helps your gel polish to last longer and stuff like that. So I'm just adding that to all of the nails, and then I am going to come in with my Venalisa Gel Polish, and these come in these little jars, and this is in the color 1541. So I'm just going to take a brush and start to paint this on my nails, and I'm going to do this for every nail. I'm going to do 2 coats. So I'm going to do the first coat and put that in the lamp to dry, and then I'm going to go over again with a second coat, and then I'll come back to you guys. And again guys, some of this was out of frame. I'm so sorry. A family friend stopped by and we were there chatting, and I totally forgot that I was filming, and so I, you know, some of the times I was just out of frames. Okay, so now I am going in with this Venalisa No Wipe Gel Top Coat, and I'm just giving this one layer, and then I'm going to pop them in the lamp to cure. After this, all I do is add some cuticle oil to my nails, and that's it. So yeah, and in case you guys were wondering, I did my right hand first, and I did add some rhinestones to my ring finger and some nail foil to my pointer finger, but afterwards I decided that I just wanted them to be plain, so I just filed those off, took off the rhinestones, and just repainted those 2 nails. And so yeah, I just left them plain. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. um, I will leave some clips and some photos. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Made by Tanil, and like my Facebook page at Made by Tanil. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Bye.